Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and for today's video we're going to Jana's Place. Come and join me! Welcome to Jana's Place, National Highway, Lumban, Laguna, Philippines. Attention, this is only temporary as we need to follow the rules set by our LGU, and we are also concerned on the safety of all customers and staffs. Let us pray that this pandemic will end very soon. Starting on December 1, 2020, Jana's Place will be open during lunchtime. New operation hours will be from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. 11 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. will be open for walk-in guests. Then from 4:30 p.m. onwards, Jana's Place will be open strictly for reservation only. This is to avoid people to wait outside as we need to strictly observe social distancing.
O, diba? Ang ganda. Do not enter inside the garden area. So, this, para makita nila yung itsura ng kapag araw.
Kimi no torikoになってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのモード噂の Dreaming Girl 忘れないででも気持ちは伝えてしまえばいつかこの夢は覚めてしまうだろうな青い影が揺れる街角君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのモード噂の Dreaming
Hey guys, so I am now here in Jana's Place. As you can see, here is the flowers. So it's color white, and every night they are more colorful. Ha? Ah, nandun na siya. Okay. So, we're just... Okay, sige. So, we're just gonna go back to Santa Cruz. So, it's just a very short vlog. This is very nice. So, I'll show some picture later. For now, this is how it looks like. So, there's a Christmas tree here, and there's actually a bar over there, restaurant and bar. So, yeah.
So I am now going to the restaurant, and I've said earlier, from 4:30 p.m. onwards, Jana's Place will be open strictly for reservation. For the time slot available, 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m., 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m., and 9 p.m. to 10 p.m.
So, I'm now here inside the restaurant. So, here's the table for the numbers, and here's the menu. So, is how it looks like. It's very nice here. Say hi, ate. Ayan. Thank you po.
And of course, as promised, I'm gonna show you more pictures of Jenna's place during the night. So I'll just grab it from their Facebook page. So enjoy!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.